Hi and welcome. Today we will learn how to scripting in Roblox Studio. We will make a disappearing platform. It will appear and disappear after 3 seconds loop. Create new block part. Scale base part higher. Also scale new block part higher equal to base part. Make sure player cannot jump over. Duplicate new block part. Adjust it to center of base and target part. Time to save project. Now if we play, the disappearing part will falling down because of gravity. To fix it, select disappearing part, then click on anchor. Okay, cool, now we can jump over the disappearing part. Set yellow color for disappearing part. Right-click and rename it to disappearing part. Also rename target part. Now, we need to make the disappearing part do his job. Disappearing. To do that, we need to add script to the part. Click on the little plus icon on the right side of the part. And choose script. Rename it to disappear. Double-click on it, and the beautiful code editor will display. There is default code inside the script. This code will print log. To output window. To enable output window, go to View tab. And click on Output button on the top left corner. Now play again to test if we get the hello world message from new code. Yeah, we got the message. Now, we come back to our main mission. Make the part disappear. Let's remove the print line. First we declare variable reference to our platform. Then write code for function named disappear. First we need to set collider to false. And set transparency to 1. Mean it will fully invisible and cannot collide with others. Function cannot run itself. So we need to call it. Just type it name with 2 parentheses. Nice, we wrote the disappear function, and call it. It's time to test. Yes, the yellow platform disappeared. Now we will make function to make the platform visible. Name it appear with parentheses. This time set collider to true. And transparency to 0. Now if we just call disappear and appear function, the platform will appear forever. So we need to call disappear and appear functions many times. To do that in coding, we need loop function. Here is how we do that. While true mean the code inside loop will repeat forever. Inside while loop we must do task wait. Here we will wait 3 seconds then call appear and disappear function. Perfect. Now time to test. You can see the yellow platform appear and disappear after 3 seconds. Thank you for watching. And have a nice day.